have the the March Boxycharm. Way to start your video, Melissa. Today I have the March Boxycharm and we're gonna just jump into it. I do get sent this for review purpose, and if you guys don't know, starting next month they will be joining with Ipsy, and so there are going to be a lot of changes coming. I'll try to pin a comment with all those changes down below so you know how many subscriptions are going to be, what's merging together, what's staying separate, and how much the price points are going to be. And let's get into the last base box from Boxycharm. This is the Planet Woman is the theme, and this is version number 1. The first thing in here is the First Aid Beauty 2-in-1 cleansing oil and makeup remover. This is $26. I am all about a good balm or oil, and this one kind of looks like a gel. I'm not sure how it's gonna feel or like how it works, but I'm definitely willing to give it a go because I love double cleansing. Double cleansing is life for me. I just feel like it really keeps my skin nice and clean and keeps it from, like, I don't know, like even with like getting like pimples and stuff like that, because I double cleanse and like take off my makeup first and then actually use a cleanser. And this one has no artificial fragrance and is dermatologist tested. So we shall see how that works. And when I say, before I keep going, when I say it's the last Boxycharm, I mean like official Boxycharm, because once they pair together, there will be no Ipsy Glam Bag, Glam Bag Plus or Boxycharm base box. That's just gonna become one thing. I'm not sure what they're gonna keep it named, but we shall see next month. But there will be like a little glam bag, a base box with 5 full products, a premium with 6 full items, and then a luxe with 8. So those are going to be the 4 subscriptions. So I didn't want anybody to be like, oh my god, there's going to be no Boxycharm. It's going to be a base box. I just don't know what it's going to be called. Next thing in here is the Ace Beauté Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. This is $42. When I was looking through the box to see if I was going to do a try on, I thought that I was going to do a try on with this, but then I opened it up and it's very, very dark. So here is the palette box, and then this is what the palette looks like. I love mirrored stuff because it's so pretty, but I hate that the fingerprints get like that and it gets so dirty. But if you look at the shades run really deep. I'm not sure if this applies like a lot lighter or not, and I'm kind of scared to actually like dip my finger into it and ruin it when somebody else can get some love from it. So yeah, they run pretty deep. I know that I wouldn't like, especially like these 2 bottom shades, I don't think that I would use those at all. So I'd rather give this to somebody with more tan or deeper skin tone who can really give some love to this palette. Let me know down below, are there other versions of this palette or is there just one? Because I just feel like even the lightest shade in here runs pretty deep. So I'm not sure if they have different versions and I just got the deep version, or if there are variations. So we shall, I don't know. Somebody let me know below. And that palette was $42. Next in here is the Dew of the Gods Feels Microabrasion Dry Erase Face Scrub. And this is like little silica crystals that are oat milk based. This is $30 and it's supposed to scrub your face. I will definitely be trying this out. I am all for a good face wash or scrub. If I could get this open. Okay, this was not what I expected. When it said dry erase, I expected it to be kind of like the Good Molecules one, where it's dry to the touch and then you add a few drops of water and mix it in. This is actually like a cream product and you apply it dry to your face. And I will see what this feels like. I do like a good scrub. A lot of those, like the Good Molecules and Keys Skincare has that, where it's like a powder form, and then you add a few drops of water and then scrub into your face. I really highly enjoy those. And yeah, I'll try this one out and see how it goes. It's on the back that it's a dry scrub for the deepest dry erase exfoliation. Ooh, hopefully it's not too strong. And that is $30. Next is the KOA Life. This is a niacinamide booster and it's $35. It's a skincare booster serum and it's supposed to keep your skin firm and healthy. It's also has aloe vera and hyaluronic acid, so it's supposed to give a lot of hydration. It's I don't know, it's a brand that I have never heard of. It does have an expiration, or is that an expiration on the bottom? No. I don't know, it says MFG. I'd have to look that up. I think that's when it was manufactured. It was manufactured 11/22, and it does have a shelf life of... Okay, it doesn't say how long the shelf life is, but that's what it comes like in a little bottle like this. I think I'm just going to give this forward because it's a brand that I don't really recognize, and I just have so much skincare right now, so I will be giving that forward. And then the last thing in here is the Belle and Argent Tinted Lip Balm. It's a nourishing, lightly tinted balm that moisturizes lips all day. This is $18. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's a gorgeous purple, and the shade is like a apricot-y shade. Looks very, very beautiful. And I don't know whether I should keep this or not because I just have way too many products for the lips. But it says it provides a gentle color, so I think that this would be really good, especially for somebody who hardly wears makeup, or just like you know, like somebody who's like a teen who's going to school, who doesn't want to wear like heavy makeup. Really, really cute. I do like Belle and Argent, and their eyeshadows are like superb. Anyways, that is it for this month's Boxycharm. I will put the total value around here so you guys know the total value of the box. I'm excited to see what's coming in the following months, especially with this big change of Ipsy joining with Boxy. Overall, I feel like this is an okay box. I am mostly excited about the face products, these two washes, the scrub and the oil. The face palette was a little bit way too dark, and yeah, it's basically mainly skincare in this box. Let me know what your choice was. Are you excited about this box? Is it a skip for you? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, you can hit that little button, subscribe. I do have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.